Are you a technical product owner for a SaaS product with multiple engineering teams? If so, this is for you because you know firsthand that building a digital product is expensive, risky, and hard to get right. You've probably experienced software complexity exploding exponentially like a runaway freight train, and you know the longer your codebase is around, the slower your teams go. You've probably seen how many companies have to scrap engineering investments and rebuild products from scratch. And you've probably seen quality degrade rapidly because your solution is only as good as your weakest link. And you've seen how a surprisingly simple change can break your system and put your business at risk. Now, you've probably sensed how low team efficiency is across the software industry, creating a lot of stress and wasting your time and money. And you may have even seen how large companies can sometimes survive a rebuild, but you know that for most it's a death march. Now, would you like to avoid these typical kinds of problems? If so, stick around. My name is Matt Cochran, and I'm the founder of TrueShield. I help SaaS executives and founders running software product development decrease defect rates while increasing efficiency by optimizing your early pre-development activities, where most defects are introduced, where defects do the worst damage to your company, and where you have the biggest opportunity to influence the outcome of your project. So you can increase product success rates, decrease development time, cost, and risk, and see more success with less stress. Now, I've been a product and technical lead for over 25 years and have seen how a well-designed software architecture helps you avoid many of the typical challenges in software production today. And I want to help you do the same. So I've decided to open source Applinate. It's our framework for building top quality software that's easy to scale, maintain, and change, so you won't have to scrap everything and rebuild from scratch. And here's why. When you take a moment to think about it, doesn't it make sense to plan and isolate what you know will change so you can swap out parts of your system without throwing out the baby with the bathwater? If so, you can use Applinate to guide your team and build sustainable, scalable, and high-quality distributed systems. And today, I've open sourced Applinate's core framework to help you easily extend your current projects or quickly build something new. And over time, I'll be making our entire tool set available for you to use. And here's how it can help you. With Applinate, you establish guardrails for building agile software. And everyone knows technology and business move at different rates. And Applinate helps you isolate changes between things that change independently so your product can evolve, which significantly extends the life of your code base and may save your company or career. With Applinate, you build your system on top of a bedrock of proven architectural patterns. Applinate leverages decades of knowledge, experience, and best practices from seasoned software architects. And this way, your teams bypass unnecessary learning curves and mistakes, helping you avoid severe headaches or worse down the road. With Applinate, you boost your team's productivity. Applinate gives you tools for encryption, compression, distributed messaging, caching, logging, and more, so you don't waste time reinventing the wheel. With Applinate, you prevent tech, vendor, and implementation lock-in. Applinate gives you a plugin convention to make it easy to build alternative implementations for any aspect of your system, so you don't get locked into anything that doesn't work for you. With Applinate, you stop software rot. Applinate helps you separate your implementation from your interfaces. And I'm sure you know your implementation can and should be encapsulated, so you prevent unnecessary coupling, which significantly extends the life of your products. So to wrap up, with Applinate, you build on top of a scalable, flexible, and proven microservice convention designed to make your life easier. And I'm excited to hear how well it works for you. Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, if you're watching this, it's likely you already know software design defects are inevitable and costly. But here's the thing, most are avoidable. And with a few hours of upfront investment focused on the right things, you can save months of pain and frustration down the road. Now, I started TrueShield to help you not only design but also build better software products with fewer defects in less time at lower costs while avoiding unnecessary risks. And I'd love to hear about what you're working on and how I can help. So, if you're interested in boosting your career or growing your products rapidly by making your software production and maintenance easier, reach out today for a free consultation by mentioning this video. And I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Warm regards and best wishes.